LAIE Intelligent Automation Platform Online Training. Introduction to LAIE Intelligent Automation Platform. Introduction to LAIE Intelligent Automation Platform. LAIE Intelligent Automation Platform is a cutting-edge solution for streamlining business operations and enhancing productivity through a blend of artificial intelligence, AI, and robotic process automation, RPA. LAIE's platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to automate repetitive tasks, improve decision-making, and optimize end-to-end business processes. Key components of LAIE Intelligent Automation Platform. LAIE RPA. A robust RPA tool for automating repetitive, rule-based tasks. It supports drag-and-drop workflow design, cross-platform compatibility, Windows, web, and mobile applications, seamless integration with other systems and applications. LAIE Conversational AI combines natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning to enable intelligent virtual assistants and chatbots, human-like interactions with customers and employees, multi-language support for global deployments. LAIE AI Data Processing, powered by OCR and advanced AI algorithms for extracting, analyzing, and processing unstructured data, converting documents, images, and PDFs into actionable data. LAIE Intelligent Document Processing, IDP. A solution for handling complex document workflows, enabling automated data extraction and validation, integration with RPA to process invoices, forms, and contracts. LAIE Work Execution Platform. A collaborative platform for managing workflows and ensuring alignment across teams. Centralized task management and monitoring. Real-time analytics and dashboards for insights. Features and benefits. Ease of use, intuitive interface suitable for both technical and non-technical users. Scalability, scales to support processes across small businesses and large enterprises. AI-powered insights, leverages machine learning for predictive analytics and intelligent automation. Enhanced integration, works seamlessly with popular enterprise applications like ERP, CRM, and BPM tools. Cost efficiency, reduces operational costs by minimizing manual intervention. Use cases. Customer service automation. Implementing chatbots to handle routine queries and improve customer satisfaction. LAIE Intelligent Automation Platform. Key components. The LAIE Intelligent Automation Platform is a comprehensive suite designed to deliver intelligent automation solutions by integrating robotic process automation, RPA, artificial intelligence, AI, and workflow orchestration. Here are its key components. 1. LAIE RPA, Robotic Process Automation. Automates repetitive, rule-based tasks across systems. Features. Drag-and-drop interface for bot development. Pre-built connectors for popular applications. Cross-platform support for both attended and unattended automation. 2. LAIE AI and cognitive capabilities. Incorporates machine learning and natural language processing, NLP, for handling unstructured data. Features. Intelligent document processing, example OCR and data extraction. chatbots and virtual assistants, sentiment analysis and entity recognition. 3. LAIE IPA, Intelligent Process Automation, combines RPA with AI to handle end-to-end process automation, enables dynamic decision-making with AI insights. 4. LAIE Process Mining, analyzes and visualizes business processes to identify inefficiencies and automation opportunities. Features: real-time process discovery, automated suggestions for optimization. 5. Workflow orchestration, coordinates tasks among bots, systems, and humans. Features: customizable workflows, real-time collaboration between teams and bots, integration with third-party systems. 6. LAIE AI Training Platform, enables businesses to customize AI models based on specific requirements. Features: intuitive interface for training machine learning models, auto-learning capabilities from new data. LAIE Intelligent Automation Platform for Business Process Automation. LAIE Intelligent Automation Platform is a cutting-edge solution designed to optimize and automate business processes across industries. It leverages artificial intelligence, AI, robotic process automation, RPA, and machine learning, ML, to streamline workflows, enhance productivity, and reduce operational costs. Key features of LAIE Intelligent Automation Platform: comprehensive RPA, automates repetitive, rule-based tasks efficiently, offers a library of pre-built bots and workflows, seamlessly integrates with third-party systems and applications. AI-powered capabilities, provides intelligent document processing, IDP, with OCR, optical character recognition, and NLP, natural language processing. Supports chatbots and virtual assistants for customer service and internal communication. Process discovery and optimization, utilizes process mining to identify bottlenecks and areas for automation, suggests optimal workflows and provides insights into process efficiency. User-friendly interface, intuitive drag-and-drop bot development tools. Non-technical users can design and deploy automation solutions. Scalability and flexibility, scales easily to meet growing business demands. Supports cloud, on-premises, and hybrid deployments. Analytics and insights, offers real-time dashboards for monitoring bot performance and ROI. Provides actionable insights to drive continuous improvement. Security and compliance, includes robust security measures to protect data and ensure compliance with industry regulations. Benefits of using LAIE for business process automation: cost savings, reduces manual labor and operational inefficiencies. Increased productivity, employees can focus on higher-value tasks by automating mundane processes. Improved accuracy, minimizes human errors in data processing and task execution. Faster turnaround times, speeds up workflows by eliminating manual delays. Enhanced customer satisfaction, delivers faster and more accurate service responses. AI-powered features in LAIE Intelligent Automation Platform. The Laie Intelligent Automation Platform is a robust solution that combines AI and automation to streamline business processes and enhance operational efficiency. Here are some key AI-powered features that stand out in this platform. 1. Natural Language Processing (NLP) enables chatbots and virtual assistants to understand and respond to human language. Supports multiple languages for global communication. Can analyze unstructured text for sentiment, intent, and key insights. 2. Optical Character Recognition (OCR) processes and extracts data from scanned documents, images, and PDFs. AI-driven accuracy in recognizing various formats, fonts, and handwriting. Integrates with workflows to automate document-intensive tasks such as invoice processing. 3. Machine Learning (ML) for decision-making. Learns from historical data to predict outcomes and optimize processes. AI models adapt to evolving data, ensuring continuous process improvement. Powers fraud detection, forecasting, and predictive analytics. 4. Conversational AI develops intelligent chatbots capable of human-like interactions. Automates customer support and internal service desks. Integrates seamlessly with messaging platforms like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and WhatsApp. 5. Intelligent Document Processing (IDP) extracts, classifies, and organizes information from complex documents. Reduces manual data entry by leveraging AI for high accuracy. Ideal for industries dealing with contracts, insurance claims, and compliance documents. 6. Process Mining and Optimization uses AI to analyze workflows and identify inefficiencies. Recommends optimizations and predicts potential bottlenecks. Provides actionable insights into business operations. 7. Robotic Process Automation (RPA) with AI enhances traditional RPA bots with AI capabilities. Handles exceptions and decision-based tasks by mimicking human judgment. Integrates seamlessly with existing enterprise systems. Laie Intelligent Automation Platform use cases across industries. Laie Intelligent Automation Platform offers robust solutions for a wide range of industries through a combination of robotic process automation (RPA), artificial intelligence (AI), and intelligent document processing (IDP). Below are some use cases across various sectors. 1. Financial services. Loan processing, automating data extraction and validation from loan applications, reducing approval times. Fraud detection, AI-powered anomaly detection in financial transactions. KYC, Know Your Customer, automating identity verification and document processing for compliance. Reconciliation, automating the reconciliation of accounts, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. 2. Healthcare. Claims processing, automating the collection and verification of insurance claims to accelerate payouts. Patient data management, streamlining patient record updates and ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. Appointment scheduling, intelligent bots managing patient appointments and reminders. Medical document processing, extracting and digitizing data from medical forms and prescriptions. 3. Retail and e-commerce. Inventory management, real-time monitoring and updating of stock levels. Order processing, automating the entire order-to-delivery workflow. Customer support, implementing AI chatbots to handle customer inquiries and complaints. Pricing and promotions analysis, using AI to optimize pricing strategies based on market trends. 4. Manufacturing. Supply chain management, automating order tracking, supplier communication, and logistics updates. Quality control, using AI-powered image recognition for defect detection. Production planning, automating the scheduling of production lines based on demand forecasts. Compliance reporting, generating automated reports for regulatory adherence. 5. Telecommunications. Customer onboarding, streamlining the activation of new accounts and services. Billing management, automating invoice generation and error detection in billing. Network monitoring, intelligent bots identifying network outages and initiating resolution processes. Churn analysis, leveraging AI to predict customer churn and suggest retention strategies. 6. Education. Admissions processing, automating application reviews and communication with prospective students. Grading and assessment, streamlining the evaluation of exams and assignments. Course recommendations, using AI to recommend personalized learning paths. Data management, automating student record updates and compliance tasks. 7. Public sector. Tax filing and processing, automating the collection, validation, and processing of tax submissions. Citizen services, chatbots providing instant responses to citizen inquiries. Integrating Laie intelligent automation platform with existing systems. Integrating the Laie intelligent automation platform with existing systems involves strategic planning, understanding system architecture, and leveraging Laie's advanced automation and AI capabilities to ensure seamless connectivity and interoperability. Here are key steps and best practices. 1. Understand system requirements and capabilities. Analyze the existing systems. Identify the systems, example ERP, CRM, legacy databases, and their integration capabilities, APIs, connectors, file-based communication, etc. Check the compatibility with Laie's platform. Define integration objectives. Determine the goals, example, improving efficiency, reducing manual work, or enabling intelligent data processing. 2. Utilize Laie's built-in connectors and APIs. Laie provides pre-built connectors for common enterprise systems like Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, and others. If pre-built connectors aren't available, leverage Laie's APIs and SDKs to build custom integrations. Use Laie's AI-driven capabilities to enhance workflows, such as document recognition, natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning, ML, models. 3. Data mapping and transformation. Ensure that data structures in Laie are mapped correctly to the existing systems. Use Laie's data transformation tools to align data formats, example JSON, XML, CSV, and standards. 4. Implement middleware if needed. Use middleware or integration platforms like MuleSoft, Dell Boomi, or TIBCO if direct integration isn't feasible. Middleware can act as a bridge, translating and routing data between Laie and the systems. 5. Develop custom workflows. Design workflows in the Laie platform to automate processes end-to-end. Use Laie's drag-and-drop automation builder to simplify workflow creation. Integrate Laie bots into workflows for repetitive tasks, such as data entry or reporting. 6. Leverage intelligent automation features. Use Laie's AI capabilities for unstructured data processing. OCR. Extract information from scanned documents. NLP. Understand and process text data. ML models. Automate decision-making based on historical patterns. Incorporate real-time analytics and insights for monitoring and optimization. 7. Test integration. Perform end-to-end testing to ensure all systems interact as expected. Validate data accuracy, workflow functionality, and system performance. 8. Security and compliance. Implement robust authentication and authorization mechanisms, example OAuth, SAML. Building custom workflows in Laie Intelligent Automation Platform. Building custom workflows in the Laie Intelligent Automation Platform involves leveraging its user-friendly interface and robust automation capabilities to create, optimize, and manage tasks and processes. Here's an overview of how to approach this. 1. Understand the platform architecture. Laie provides tools for both attended and unattended automation, supporting end-to-end automation scenarios. Familiarize yourself with Laie RPA Creator, used to design workflows. Laie Commander, for managing and orchestrating workflows. Laie Conversational AI, if chatbots are integrated into workflows. 2. Define workflow objectives. Clearly outline process goals, automate repetitive tasks, optimize approvals, etc. Inputs and outputs, what data goes in and what the results should look like. Actors, identify users or bots involved in the workflow. 3. Access the Laie RPA Creator. The drag-and-drop interface allows you to design workflows without extensive coding. Here's a guide. Start a new workflow. Open RPA Creator and choose New Workflow. Set the scope, example, data processing, integration, etc. Use pre-built templates, if available. Laie provides pre-built components for common processes. Customize these to save time. 4. Build the workflow. Workflow steps. Import resources. Add input sources like databases, files, or APIs. Use the data connector for integrations. Drag and drop activities. Use activities like data extraction, conditional logic, loops, and API calls. Set variables and parameters. Define variables for dynamic data handling. Configure parameters for modular workflows. Incorporate AI capabilities. Add OCR, optical character recognition, for document automation. Integrate NLP for text processing if using conversational AI. Add error handling. Use try-catch blocks to manage exceptions gracefully. Why choose ProExcellency for Laie Intelligent Automation Platform online training? Choosing ProExcellency for LIE Intelligent Automation Platform online training can be a great decision for various reasons, as they are known for providing professional training tailored to modern business and technology needs. Here are some key benefits of opting for ProExcellency. 1. Comprehensive course coverage. ProExcellency offers a well-structured curriculum that covers all essential aspects of the LIE Intelligent Automation Platform, including robotic process automation, RPA, artificial intelligence, AI, and analytics. The training ensures learners are equipped with theoretical knowledge as well as practical implementation skills. 2. Experienced trainers. The courses are delivered by industry experts with deep knowledge of LIE's platform and extensive experience in automation technologies. Trainers provide real-world use cases and hands-on sessions to enhance understanding. 3. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency emphasizes practical learning, offering exercises, projects, and case studies to help students master LIE's tools and functionalities. Simulated environments allow learners to experiment with workflows, automation, and AI-based solutions. 4. Flexible learning options. Online training provides the flexibility to learn at your own pace, accommodating professionals with busy schedules. Live sessions and recordings are usually available, allowing for review and reinforcement of learning. 5. Certification guidance. The training helps learners prepare for LIE Intelligent Automation certifications, enhancing their credentials and employability in the automation domain. Guidance on certification exams is often included. 6. Post-training support. ProExcellency may offer post-training support to address queries and challenges encountered while implementing LIE solutions. Access to additional resources, such as documentation and community forums, might be part of the offering. 7. Affordability. The courses are competitively priced, making them accessible for individuals and organizations aiming to upskill in automation technologies without overspending. 8. Focus on industry relevance. ProExcellency tailors its training to reflect current trends and demands in intelligent automation, ensuring that learners gain skills that are directly applicable in the job market. 9. Global reach. Being an online platform, ProExcellency enables participants from around the world to join and benefit from its programs, fostering a diverse learning environment. 10. Customized training. The platform might offer tailored programs for corporate teams, focusing on specific business needs or use cases of LIE Intelligent Automation within an organization. Thank you.